Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rajesh. I hope you are doing good. In today's video, we will create a spotlight animation in Figma. So before we just start, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, Behance, Audible. So without further ado, let's get started. For this spotlight animation, we will create a searchable horror-like game. So just click on plus, new design file, just single click, then so before we just start, I quickly explain what are the assets we require to create this. You require only the background image. Take this. So create a frame, or the shortcut key is Alt Control G. Place one rectangle above the image. Give 20%, so it will look a dark image because we are creating something horror image. So we'll place one logo because we are creating a website, horror gaming website. We'll place it on left hand side. It's up to you if you want to put down a logo or something. I'm just creating a gaming website, so these are the elements we require. Put down one text, search and scan the ghost. We'll change the text. We'll use Evogrio and we'll change the font size and increase the spacing. Give some red color to the below text. Now we'll group this, both the thing. This will be the BG, this will be the content or the text, whatever you say. Home. We'll reduce the text size. About us. We'll bring the home on the right hand side. This will be the two buttons. We will not create the inside pages, we are just placing these elements. Now create one rectangle. Okay, this will be the very important section. Now create one circle or the ellipse. Center line. Select both. Now from the boolean group, choose extrude selection. Choose a circle, Ctrl D, duplicate it, place it above this extrude selection. Change the color, give it radial because this will be the spotlight for this website. Give gradient color. Make it frame. Place it inside this frame. Zoom it. Yeah, now it's looking perfect. After changing this color, place this content and header above this image. Choose this frame, go to prototype, select horizontal and vertical scrolling, select this frame, check the prototype, and it's done. Yeah, you can see wherever you move the cursor, it will go it around, so it will like search and scan the ghost. You can make it some this type of gaming website. We'll use some different image also for this background, like we'll place this in the center. We'll bring down this image into the center. We'll increase this. Yeah, now we can see like search and scan the ghost, because at the previous image it was only the spotlight was directly coming to the face of the ghost. So that's why I've changed this image. So that's it, guys. So whatever you want to create, like however you want to create this spotlight animation in Figma, so I thought it would be, we should create a gaming website, like searching and scanning the ghost, or whatever that comes in your mind, you can create that. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you're new to Figma, you can check out my Figma playlist, so it will help you to learn about the basic thing of Figma. Just turn on the bell notification so you will get all the latest updates, and follow me on LinkedIn, Behance or Dribble. I will paste the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care, goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.